What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today, I have another brand new product to share with you guys. As you can probably tell by the branding on the bag right here, it is from Pigenius. They are pretty much the geniuses over there working to get us some custom sunshades to protect your vehicle's interior. So inside the packaging, we have our leather sunshade made of a really great material. So the bags look like. So with this sunshade, again, like I said, it's coated with this reflective material on the front of it. All right, so as I explained to you guys earlier, a major perk of the Pigenius sunshade is the material that it's actually made from. And again, in hand, this is pretty durable. It feels really solid in the hand compared to some that I've used before in from other brands. Those are like really flimsy, plasticky, and then it doesn't really block as much heat. But the backing of this also has felt as well as the front with leather. So for the most part, it blocks as much heat as it possibly can. And while today being a windy day here in the low country in South Carolina, for the most part, the weather has been extremely hot. It's been about 90 to like 96 degrees for the past 2 weeks. So a major perk of the Pigenius sunshade is that it will reduce the vehicle's temperature inside from as much as around 110 degrees to 85 degrees roughly. That's about a 20 degrees difference. It does make a difference, especially when your vehicle is parked outside like mine is currently. I'm going to grab my thermostat, show you the temperature currently, and then we'll leave it aside for an hour to see how much the temperature will drop once we have our Pigenius sunshade installed. So a major perk of the Pigenius sunshade is that it has a coating on the front of it, a reflective coating, and all this does is pretty much direct the sunlight where it came from. In other words, away from the vehicle. This coating on the front of it, again, it's stitched, has beautiful stitching on there. It feels really good in the hands as well. And on the back of it, you also have a felt back end. You can probably see how thick that is. It's a really great material. Again, on the back of it, this felt lining also just helps to not scratch your vehicle's interior, and also acts as a double layer to ensure it can withstand that heat and protect the vehicle's interior. So you're able to pretty much stow it away inside this bag and tuck it away inside the vehicle or wherever you want to store it. But for the most part, again, it is laser designed, so obviously will fit the vehicle perfectly. Let's hop inside and just put this one up and see what it looks like. So this, again, it's super easy to install. It is literally just a sunshade. There's nothing complicated about it. But what makes it amazing, again, is the quality of it. Fits perfectly to my X3. Let me grab this thing right here. And then once you pretty much get it underneath the mirrors right there, it fits perfect. Put the visors down. That is a super perfect fit. If it's perfectly, let me grab the camera so you can actually see that. I don't know how much you guys can see, but if you look like underneath the mirrors right there, the cutouts for the driver assist stuff, the trims on the interior, it is perfect around that sunshade. Let's get closer so you guys can actually see. Look at that. Super, super well designed. Love it. And then again, you can see how that back end kind of just matches with the interior. And it looks really premium inside here. It matches what the vehicle is, a BMW. Super, super great product. I love it. So on the outside, this is what it looks like. Again, the fit is perfect. You probably couldn't have it any more like precise in terms of the way it fits the vehicle. No gaps or lights around. Let me hop on the passenger side so you can see that. And that's how it looks from the passenger side. No gaps at all. And even if I should pop the visor down, it will pretty much still stay in place without falling, just because it is so tight and well designed for the vehicle. So before installing the Pigenius sunshade, we were sitting at about 108 degrees Fahrenheit on that windshield. Let's test it out now that we have the vehicle sitting here for about, it's been about an hour and a half since I installed it. Let's see what it's sitting at. 97 degrees. 97. That is a big jump already in just an hour of just sitting outside. Again, the evening sun is obviously setting now, so there's really no direct sunlight. But for the most part, the vehicle has been outside quite a lot all day, so it's been really hot. For over 30 years, Pigenius has pretty much completed their R&D, which is research and design, and improving on a product even as simple as a sunshade. So for this amazing product that I have showed you guys today, you could bet I do have a discount for you guys. I'm going to leave that on the screen, and I'm also going to tell you it is Pigenius 2026. I'm going to use that discount at checkout to grab yourself a reduced cost to own one of these amazing products that I'm going to be using for the entire summer on my vehicles. Like I told you, I have this, an X3, and we just got a new 3 Series right there. So we're going to be sourcing another one of these for the 3 Series, and I might film another video on it as well. And just to show you guys how amazing this product is. The Pigenius Sunshade is not a must, but I would say this is a guarantee. Especially when you have vehicles such as this one that has a leather dashboard. It is very well padded with leather and the quality components. So you obviously want to protect it. But for the most part, again, the heat and glue obviously doesn't work well. So with a sunshade such as the Pigenius quality that we have right here, I definitely recommend one of these. That way you can protect your dashboard and ensure that your vehicles last a lot longer, especially considering what you've been paying for vehicles in this economy. Again, use code Pigenius 2026. I'll also leave it in the video's description. But for such a product, I cannot tell you how much I recommend something as simple as a sunshade. It sounds simple, in fact, but again, it's simple things that does a major benefit for the longevity of your vehicle and also your well-being, comfort being inside the vehicles. At least for me, being at work sometimes, you can probably just leave your sunshade up and have lunch inside your vehicle, whatever you want to do inside your vehicles. But again, it is a major privacy benefit, but also the temperature reduction inside the vehicle. Definitely recommend it. Be sure to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.